A bag of candy. A bag of chips. A bag of rice. A bag of groceries. A barrel of wine. A barrel of water. A barrel of petrol. A barrel of beer. A bar of soap. A bar of silver. A bar of gold. A bar of chocolate. A bulb of fennel. A bulb of tulip. A basket of apples. A basket of bread. A basket of flowers. A basket of vegetables. A bottle of wine. A bottle of water. A bottle of soda. A bottle of shampoo. A blister pack of pills. A bowl of rice. A bowl of soup. A bowl of salad. A bowl of cereal. A box of toys. A box of crayons. A box of cereal. A box of chocolates. A bucket of water. A bucket of popcorn. A bucket of fish. A bucket of fried chicken. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of keys. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of flowers. A can of tuna. A can of tomatoes. A can of soda. A can of beer. A can of Coke. A clove of garlic. A chunk of meat. A carton of juice. A carton of milk. A carton of eggs. A carton of cigarettes. A cup of tea. A cup of coffee. A crate of oranges. A crate of tomatoes. A crate of bottles. A crate of apples. A drop of water. A drop of honey. A drop of blood. A drop of eye drops. A gallon of water. A gallon of gas. A glass of water. A glass of milk. A glass of wine. A glass of lemonade. A grain of rice. A grain of sand. A grain of salt. A grain of mustard. A handful of nuts. A handful of seeds. A handful of berries. A handful of herbs. A handful of coins. A handful of sand. A handful of flowers. A handful of candies. A head of lettuce. A head of garlic. A head of broccoli. A head of cabbage. A head of onion. A head of cauliflower. A jar of nuts. A jar of pickles. A jar of jam. A jar of honey. A jar of cookies. A jar of marbles. A pair of socks. A pair of shoes. A pair of glasses. A pair of chopsticks. A piece of cheese. A piece of paper. A piece of cake. A piece of furniture. A pile of papers. A pile of money. A pile of cookies. A pile of leaves. A pinch of salt. A pinch of sugar. A plate of spaghetti. A plate of fried rice. A plate of fried chicken. A plate of salad. A pot of peas. A pot of stew. A pot of rice. A roll of film. A roll of tape. A roll of fabric. A roll of toilet paper. A sack of rice. A sack of flour. A sack of potatoes. A sack of coffee beans. A sheet of paper. A sheet of cardboard. A six-pack of cola. A six-pack of beer. A slice of apple. A slice of bread. A slice of watermelon. A slice of cake. A spoonful of sugar. A spoonful of soup. A spoonful of paprika. A spoonful of matcha. A jug of milk. A jug of orange juice. A jug of water. A jug of tea. A jug of lemonade. A jug of wine. A kernel of corn. A kernel of wheat. A leaf of mint. A leaf of lettuce. A liter of petrol. A liter of olive oil. A mug of tea. A mug of milk. A mug of coffee. A mug of hot chocolate. A sprig of rosemary. A sprig of mint. A sprig of parsley. A sprig of thyme. A stack of paper. A stack of plates. A stack of pancakes. A stack of firewood. A tin of beans. A tin of sweet corn. A tray of sushi. A tray of food. A tray of drinks. A tray of cookies. A pack of gum. A pack of nuts. A pack of chips. A chunk of bread. A block of wood. Fragments of glass. Specks of dust. Grains of salt. A piece of meat. A slice of pizza. A lump of coal. A scrap of paper. A slab of concrete.